up. All this conduit full of water was pouring into the panel inside the building. We're gonna poke some holes in it. See if we can get it to drain out. I'm just using my Phillips head. And get my bit back. Oh, shit. There's not a water line. There's a conduit that goes up the building right there. All this water was pouring into the panel inside the building. Flooding the building every time it rained. We caulked the siding, the windows. Couldn't figure out what it was, so one day I came over here and the water was coming out the panel. And when it's finished draining, we'll caulk that hole and cover it up.